Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a product called GoHost Pro, or let me check the name again. Yes, GoProHost. So this is a review about GoProHost review. Now in this video we will check all the features of this product. First of all, let me clarify, this is not a money-making software. So again, I'm very happy that I'm going to review a normal product. So this product is going to be launched on Warrior Plus on 27th of June. And this is about hosting unlimited websites and domains. So as per their headline, you can see that you can host unlimited websites and domains on super fast cloud servers for 100 years at an unbeatable one-time record low price. Okay, so before we get into the details into this review, make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch this review till the end. Okay, so it says here, stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive hosting companies, switch to GoProHost with no monthly fees. So as of now, if you are, let's say if you have a website or a blog, if you're with GoDaddy, if you're with Namecheap, if you're with Bluehost, if you're with some DreamHost, so if you're with these hosting companies, you pay them a lot of money every month, maybe $10 per month, $15 per month, 20, or even maybe more. Okay, so this particular software is going to give you unlimited hosting, and you can add as many domains you want to, and this comes at a one-time price. You don't have to give them anything every month. That's what they're saying in this particular dashboard or website here. So let's go through the features. First of all, it says unlimited hosting, and you can host unlimited websites and domains on our fast cloud server, unlimited bandwidth with no monthly or yearly fees, and free SSL. So this thing which you see right at the top, it says connection is secure. This is called SSL. So that SSL is free. GoDaddy charges you a lot of money for SSL every year. So SSL has to be free these days, and it is free by these people. Create or own professional email accounts. Now companies like GoDaddy, they charge you for professional email accounts as well. They rip you off. Especially GoDaddy is a very scamming company. They rip you off. They charge you for bloody everything. They charge you for hosting, they charge you for domain, they charge you for a personal email account, they charge you for SSL, and they charge you for everything. Okay, they charge you for dedicated IP address as well. So they charge you for, I can tell you from experience, GoDaddy is a big no. Nobody should use GoDaddy. If you're using GoDaddy, switch to something else. All right, either you buy this thing or you go to some other provider, but no GoDaddy. That's my personal suggestions to you. Now it says one-click WordPress integration. So everybody knows, everybody's using WordPress these days, so they have to give WordPress integration anyway. Free migration support, which means that if you have your existing website on some other hosting right now, so you can contact them. They'll help you how to migrate your website from existing hosting to their hosting. They'll help you with that. And then you can create unlimited domains and subdomains. Now in other companies, you have only restrictions that in one plan you can add 3 domains, in other plan you can add 10 domains, and if you go higher, then you might get some unlimited domains, but you will pay more for that, and you will pay monthly. So in this software, you can you can have or create as many domains or as many subdomains, and it is 100% cloud based. So it's we will check the demo in a moment, so you will see exactly how it works. And then automated daily backups, so it'll back up your website, no technical skills needed. Priceless 24/7 support, special bonuses. So let's go further down here and check what are the other features. So this is the product creator, and you can see the screenshot. Now don't go by the money making screenshot. This is a hosting thing, so it's not about you making some money. It's about you hosting your websites and using the benefits of a one-time price. Okay, so it's going to work in 3 steps. First, buy the copy, and then you can just log in into this dashboard, and you will use unlimited websites and domains. Step 2 is host unlimited websites and domains in just a few clicks, install WordPress, and then enjoy sales and traffic. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look into the dashboard, and once you see all the features, how it works, let me find the video for you as a dashboard. I have to go and grab that video for you. Just bear with me for a second. Okay, so we go to the JV page, and okay, we go to launch doc, I think. Okay, so there are some upgrades as well, so make sure you read all the description in your software if you have to go for upgrades or not. So we found their demo video. Now let's come here and open this demo video. Okay, now this is a 2 minutes 48 minutes long video, and what I'll do is I'll shut up and you watch this video completely, 2 minutes 48 seconds, and once you watch the video I will be back. Okay, so I'll not speak, watch the video, and we'll talk further. Alright friends, so the demo is done. You have seen how it works. It's pretty simple, like a cPanel. So if you have been using GoDaddy or some other hosting accounts, you log into cPanel and you click on file manager and stuff like that. So it's the same thing in this dashboard as well, and then you can add your WordPress plugin as well. You can host your website on WordPress. So it's super simple. It's nothing technical. If you have your blog or website operated in the past, then you know how it works. And then here, if you get stuck, if you need some help, you can actually contact the support page. So it's a very easy review for me because I don't have to use the word scam. So they are not scamming you because they are giving you a service. It's a hosting service, and it's not like you make some money with it. It's your need which you have. So if you are starting to open up a website, or you already have a website and you are looking for some reliable and cheap solution, a one-time solution especially, so you can definitely go ahead and grab this software. And this will be launched on 27th of June, okay? And by now there might be no links in my description, but if you find some links, you can just go ahead and click on it and grab the copy. So it's a good to go from my end, because as long it's not a money-making software, I am fine with that. So these people are giving you unlimited hosting and domains. So yes, you can go ahead and definitely buy that. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to the channel, and we'll come back to you with another review shortly.